This is my version of Jason Aldean's Big Green Tractor. I hope y'all enjoy. She had a shiny little beamer with the rag top down, sitting in the drive, but she wouldn't get out. The dogs were all barking and wagging around, and I just laughed and said, "Y'all get in." She had on a new dress and she curled her hair. She was looking too good not to go somewhere. What you wanna do, baby? I don't care. We can go to the show and we can stay out here. I can take you for a ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods, out through the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, or baby, if you'd rather, take you for a ride on my big green tractor. So we can fire it up and I can show you around. Sit upon the hill and watch the sun go down. And fireflies are dancing and the moon come out. We can turn on the lights and then head back to the house, and we can take a big ride on my big green tractor. We can go slow or make it go faster, down through the woods, out through the pasture. As long as I'm with you, it really don't matter. Climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Just let the dust off the seat. Oh no, my hat. Put your little arms around me. You can climb up in my lap and drive if you want to. Girl, you know you got me to hold on to. We can go to town, but baby, if you'd rather, I'll take you for a ride on my big green tractor. Oh yeah, we can go to town. Yeah. We can go another round. My big green tractor. Thank you very much, folks. Stay in tune for my next video.